we are very happy with the way we are performing. And I do agree with you. I think there's a clear trend towards listed players in the industry. Now, it is driven by two major trends. One is, the consumer demand is clearly shifted towards quality players. There has been many incidents where projects have not got completed on time, and people like us assure people timely delivery of high quality. So I think there is a very clear shift in consumer demand towards quality. The other reason for this consolidation which is happening is because of the balance sheet. The industry today requires capital, and quality players are bringing high quality capital, their ability to raise capital at attractive terms, both whether it is debt or equity. So I think a combination of strong balance sheet and a strong demand is what is driving consolidation, which is what investors are also appreciating. And in the long run, you would see that the top players would continuously gain market share as we over the years. And if you look at places like China, the top 10 developers have almost close to 25% of market share. So I feel we will be also moving towards a similar path in our country. So we also remain very, very bullish.
Well, I wanted to understand from you, as you said, that industry is moving towards a consolidation where smaller players are either tying up or doing a JV with the bigger and well-established player. So how this is beneficial for both of them, and how many small players you are talking with?
Yeah, I think it's an extremely beneficial trend. One of the critical thing why it is benefiting both the parties is because everybody is focusing on their core competency. So if you look at players like us, we don't end up buying land, or we don't buy raw land. We don't look at acquisition of land. It's a completely different domain where specialized people work on that. Similarly, we are running a development company which is again a very specialized set of work, which the landowners could not do in past. And I think everybody has understood there is a role for both the parties, and it's a synergistic relationship. So both the parties are getting benefit of this partnership, and many partnerships are happening in the industry today. And if you see our trend over the last few years, all of our major project signing over the last 3 years has been with one of the developers. So that this trend is clearly something which is visible and also growing.
Well, taking this forward, you have recently added 4 new projects in Mumbai and Bangalore. Tell us more about this project and how many new launches are there in pipeline?
Yeah, no, we were very excited. As I said, we are very bullish about the overall trend in the market, and we feel this is the right time to add new projects because they are coming at very attractive terms. So we have added 4 new projects. 3 were in Mumbai and 1 was in Bangalore. All of them are in mid-income segment, which is our core area of focus. So I think overall we remain very bullish. We have a very interesting pipeline, and we would look forward to making many announcements and signing more projects in future.
The very iconic RK Studio, what is the plan over there? How is the development going forward in RK Studio? How you are going to maintain the values which are attached to that RK Studio? What is the development right now?
Yeah, so we are very excited about this project. We are privileged to have the opportunity to develop this kind of an iconic development in Mumbai, and we want to do justice to this project. So we are planning to create a very iconic development, something which will add value to the address which is already there. It's at a fairly advanced stages of approvals. So design is already completed. We already have IOD, and we expect to launch it in next quarter. So we are very excited, and we think this project will add a huge value to the skyline of Mumbai.
Well, one more thing, the Wickroli project, which is right near in front of us. What is the status?
Yeah, so we are very excited about Wickroli. Has been our flagship development. The first phase has already been delivered ahead of schedule. Customers have already started taking possession, and we can see smiling customers, and it gives a huge joy to us when we see when we are able to bring joy to our consumers. So extremely happy with the way this development has happened. Our phase 2 of our office development, which is called Godrej 2, is also at a fairly advanced stages of construction. So overall, very excited, and we're looking forward to more developments in Wickroli in future.
So how is your order book looking like? And real estate sector, which is sitting on a pile of unsold inventory, is this a problem for you as well?
No, we are not having any inventory problem at all. We have been, witnessing record sales. In any project which we have launched, we see massive demand from consumers. We have also seen a very healthy growth on, something which we call sustenance sales. Sales which happen at advanced stages of approval has been showing consistent growth. So overall, we are very happy with the way sales are going on, which in turn is giving us confidence to add, more projects in our kitty, deploy more capital in the market, and take the benefit of, the asset pricing coming down. So overall, extremely excited. In terms of order book, you said, we have been adding projects very consistently over the years now, and we continue to see the same trend. So order book looks very interesting, and we are looking forward to more launches in future. Yes.
How many of them will be in affordable segment?
So we classify affordable in two parts. One is affordable by size, which is how government has also defined, which is any project below 45 lakh square feet, 45 lakh ticket size. And then there is another way of defining affordable, which is affordable by price. Any project below 4,000 rupees. We play on the first part, which is affordability by size. And we are seeing many projects now, which, in Pune, Bangalore, which fall in these kind of segments. Even outskirts of Mumbai, we see projects which are in those, and we specifically design projects keeping that in mind.
Well, RBI, if you'll see it, and if you'll see the government, RBI has recently took a pause on decreasing the repo rate, but before that, it has significantly decreased the repo rate. So how it is impacting the demand? Can you see the demand uptick and the other things which are measures which are taken by the government, whether it is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana? How do you think this is redefining the demand?
Yeah, I think government has been taking a lot of initiatives in reviving the demand in our sector, and extremely thankful to the government for all the work they have been doing on reviving the demand. The sector has been in a down cycle for almost 8 years now, and it's extremely important to revive demand in the sector at an overall macro level. Players like, as you have highlighted, players like us have been doing well despite the slowdown. Our market shares have gone up. We have been growing sales consistently. But overall, I feel government has been taking right steps. We would need probably some more measures to bring back the demand, because once real estate industry kind of starts growing, the overall, it has a very positive rub-off impact on the entire economy. So I feel the steps have been very good, but maybe some more would be required for real revival of demand.
If you'll see at your Geographic presence, you are present in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, and Delhi.
Yes.
And Delhi. So can we see some major geographical expansion as well in coming days?
So we've been sticking to our strategy to focus on the top 4 cities for almost 8 years now, and this has given us rich dividend. We have been. The strategy was to grow in these 4 cities, become market leaders in these 4 cities, and then move forward. Now, if you look at the last 2 years, we have been market leaders amongst the top 3 players in each of these geographies. And I think it's time now for us to start thinking about, next set of geographies. So we are evaluating it, but we haven't yet taken a call on this subject.
Can we see any inorganic growth as well?
Yeah, why not? If there are interesting opportunities, we are very happy to look at all options. We have the strongest balance sheet today in the industry. We are sitting on close to 3,000 crores of cash. We are looking to deploy more than 5,000 crores of capital in the market. We are very confident about our execution capabilities, in the way we are, our consumer connect and our ability to sell. So we are very bullish. And if there's an interesting opportunity, we would not shy away from it.